Okay guys, gusto nyo ba yung shaders? Okay guys, talit tayo ng video. Okay, kuha muna tayo ng wood. Okay, papatayin natin ito ang plate. Bitch! Ayun! Ito.
By the way, guys, how's your day going?
Okay guys, kunin natin yung iron na to. Wait lang. Ito. What?
A few moments later.
So, complete series to guys. Kung gusto nyo ng 200 days or full-time series to boy, comment lang niya boy. Comment lang kayo. Hanap po na ako ng cave. Uy. Iron. Oh my god, bro. Grabe, screenshot natin to, boy. Bro, screenshot natin. Ito na. Boy, galing ng view. Ouch. Maraming maps dito eh. Dilman na pala yung kala ko ano. Oh shit! Look, wag lang. Sorry guys, pero uy. I'm pranking my... Uy! Yan. Ito pa creeper.
Ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Yan, namamatay ako. Run. Yo. Run. Kuha tayo ng chicken. Come on. Shit. Gabi na. Guys, risk ba ako? Wait lang. Mga baby zombie. Baby zombie na to.
A few moments later.
Okay guys. Day na at mag-make tayo ng base kasi hindi ako magre-risk mamamatay. What the fuck? Hi? Hi boy. Harmless ka ba? Guys, sino ba to guys? What the f... Tangina. Si Night Dweller. Tangina. What the f... Yan, boboto na base. Okay, make tayo ng base. Iron. Iron is very important. Yeah, wala tayo. Build up. Mag-ship hunting tayo. Kasi I hate the night kasi mag-spawn si Night Dweller. Ito na cave. I-encounter natin si... First, papatayin natin si cave dweller. Diamond ba yan? Boy, diamond! Boy! Boy, diamond! Oh shit! Okay, throw natin to. That's useless. Ay, puta, copper to. Bakit mukha siyang diamonds, boy? Patayin natin si Night Dealer. I don't give a fuck. Bakit hindi siya nag-spawn? Run. Oh shit. Why is the water so realistic? Okay guys, let's call it a day. Every 4 days, we will add another mob. Or mod. Or horror. Okay, just guns maybe. Okay guys. So see you in the next video guys. Bye!